Just a quick little video. We are putting the foam insulation in over the bunk here. It's coming along really well. Since we leave on Sunday, it's probably a good idea we get it done. I'm cleaning the fabric seats. Just waiting for them to dry. I did the couch too, but it's covered with stuff right now. And blinds. We have blinds again. I'm reusing what was here, so they aren't perfect. The couch is covered. It's mostly dry, but it's covered. Yes, blinds. Blinds. And more blinds. Piece of the ceiling we still have to put up. We got part of it done. It's messy because, you know, we get fingerprints on everything. More blinds. More blinds. I don't think we're gonna get, sorry about the door. I hate when I do that. I don't think we're gonna get painted before we leave. New AC works wonderful. So nice and clean. Oh, feels beautiful. And the fridge works. We just got to run it for a while to get it cold. And we got some propane to test out the stove and the water heater. And it's heat too, but I don't think we're gonna need heat. We live in Arizona. We took out the old microwave, put in one from our house. Yes, it's too small, but it'll do the trick. Just so excited. I can't wait to see my stepdaughter and her husband and her 6 kids because I love them. So messy, but I'll do one when we're all done.